I'm Danny.
I'm Monica.
Hi, I'm AC.
Is it hard to be a woman?
Yes.
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 Do you think that there are jobs or tasks that only women should or can do?
Definitely no. I believe that both men and women are capable of doing the things or the tasks assigned to them given the opportunities, trainings, and skills. Gender should not be a limiting factor in determining one's viability.
In our current society, do you think that we already achieve equality?
No, we have not fully achieved equality. Despite the progress in different domains, the gender inequality, it exists. It is relevant in our society. For example, the women, they often face a wage gap compared to a man. Also, example in their leadership roles, and societal expectation that limit their professional and personal choices. Most especially nowadays is the LGBTQ. They are still encountering challenges like discrimination.
Have you experienced oppression or prejudice against from an opposite gender?
Yes, in fact, I experienced sexism from the opposite gender. For instance, in a previous job, my contributions were often overlooked in meetings, while male colleagues received credit with our similar ideas. Additionally, I face assumptions about my abilities based on gender stereotypes, such as being expected to handle administrative tasks despite my role qualifications. These experiences were frustrating and highlighted the ongoing challenges women face in the working environment or professional environment.
Have you ever felt threatened because you're a woman?
Yes, unfortunately, I have. There are moments when the mere fact of being a woman feels like a vulnerability. The fear of predators is real, and it's sometimes that many women have to live with it. Whether it's walking alone at night or dealing with unwanted advances, there's a persistent awareness that our safety can be compromised just because of our gender.
What can you say to women who experience the discrimination and oppression from the society?
Women, no one can limit us. We can do everything and we can do anything. Keep pushing forward and break barriers. There's nothing we can't achieve.
Until every voice is not heard and valued, the fight isn't over.
To all the women out there facing discrimination and oppression, I want to say fight back. Stand strong against the forces that seeks to diminish your worth. Advocate for your rights and for the rights of others. It's essential to keep pushing against the barriers, to demand better treatment, and to create a world where women are respected and valued equally. Above all, remember that you are not alone. There is immense strength in our collective voice, and together we can make a difference. Keep fighting for yourself and for all women everywhere.
I can say is, you're a woman. You can use your voice. It's essential to continue advocating for gender equality to ensure that all voices are heard and valued.
The Philippine Statistics Authority's 2022 National Demographic and Health Survey found that 17.5% of Filipino women aged 15 to 49 have suffered physical, sexual, or emotional violence from their romantic partners. As of 2021, there have been 8,399 reports of physical assault, 1,791 cases of rape, and 1,505 cases of lascivious behavior. Based on survey data collected from 2017 to 2022, the United Nations Development Program estimates that 99.5% of the Philippines population, including 99.33% of males and 99.67% of women, has biases against women. and we rank 19th in gender equality globally. We must fight to protect and empower women's rights. They are people, they are valued, and they are important members of our society. We must help hand in hand in promoting this advocacy through education, voice, and support. Let's break stereotypes. Let's eradicate gender roles. Let's respect and value everyone. And above all, let's make a humane and equal society where everyone is loved, supported, and protected.